Today, we're going to bring a magnetic car phone holder. Now, this was sent from a vendor. So he was kind enough to send this out for us to review and take a look at it. So we're going to put it together also. And this is something I've been missing in my car because I normally had a phone holder, but then that thing fell apart. So today, we're going to bring in this new one here. And this one has a weight to it, all right? So it does have some weight. We're gonna put it together. There's some double-sided tape, and this thing is movable. So if you have to do navigation or anything else, this is pretty neat that you get to move this around, set it up. Double-sided tape, you peel this off. It's not gonna be hard to peel it off because they have this little edge here that you just peel it off. Now, this part goes to your phone, the other part. So they have different magnetic areas to set up. So let's go ahead and take them all out. They got an extra one, double-sided tip. If you have to remove it, you could always get this one out. They got this sticker to remove any dust particles prior to actually setting it up. And then they give you two different types of setups, two magnets, all right? Two different metal pieces that you can magnet. And what I'm talking about is just basically you magnetize it like that and not even that far. If you guys see that. And we are going to put it on our phone. We're going to go ahead and set it up in our phone here in the back. So we're going to put a little place like right here. We're going to be charging, but we want to make sure we charge it too. So I want to make sure we put it down here instead. So we can just grab it from here in this area because we want to make sure that we're able to charge it too. So like that, and this will be able to stand, and hold my phone. You guys see it. Sideways, and I'm doing it from the bottom part, and the weight's on it's not distributed properly, but it's still holding on because this thing is super strong and and it has a weight to it too. So if you guys can see it. All right, so they give you this towel to make sure you clean it up and any particles so the sticker can last longer. If you guys see, there's quite a deal of dust, so they give you that, and then we're going to set this up here. So let's go ahead and do that. I want to set it up on this angle so I can actually see the phone here and the passengers can see me here, and then we're going to set up the phone. Easy setup like that, so I'm able to drive and see the phone. So you do need a stable place to set this up. Unfortunately, I don't have a really good place on here, but this is probably the best place, and it's going to distract me, so I got to move it somewhere else too. So hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.